Okay, so as always, camera never does lights justice. And guys, I have not adjusted these at all, as you could see with the cutoff right there. Just waited for the sun to go down, got in the vehicle, and just started driving basically. So I have not adjusted it. I just wanted to see how these things were essentially out of the box, and holy crap, not exaggerating. Not exaggerating, these things are very, very nice. Even the brights too are very bright. Not as bright as having something, not as bright as the LEDs that I had before, just because these are in a projector housing. However, they are not like cheap headlights. However, they don't seem like cheap headlights at all. When you turn on the brights, you know, there's nothing. These actually light up pretty good. And I know I'm in the middle of the road, but no one's usually on these roads at night. So first initial impression, guys, even with it not lining up perfectly, you could just adjust that. So my driver's side is a little lower than the passenger side, so it has like kind of a little cut to it. But holy crap, look how uniform this light pattern is. Zero splotch, and it's right in front of the vehicle too. So the vehicle right here, nothing getting lost up in here, only where the light is supposed to be out here. Oh my gosh. So anyways, only where the light is supposed to be, and man, it goes quite a bit. And they look mean. Looks so good. Look at that presence that you're gonna have on the road. So looks, aesthetics wise, obviously they're great, but performance as well, guys. Best, aside from when I had HIDs in my stock housings, no LEDs that I have put in the 4Runner. And this is not John trying to sell you on a product and spend money. Please update your guys' 4Runners at your own budget pace. However, I am speaking for myself that these, hands down, are the brightest headlights. I know it's a different housing, but headlights that I've put in my 4Runner, it honestly probably rivals the HIDs. I mean, that's, shoot, 150 feet away, 200 feet away, and that's just the low beams. And they're not even adjusted. I mean, very sweet. Show you guys the blinker at night too. Even that is super bright. Okay, and now we will turn on the brights. Decently bright. Aims up right where you want it to be all bright at. Man, for straight out of the box with no adjustment, that's pretty good. The color temperature is perfect. Nice wider light to help reflect road signs, you know, road construction if you guys have a lot near you. Street cones, oh, so good. So guys, first impressions of this product by Alpharex, awesome. Good job, guys. The install was easy. Customer service was top notch, as I mentioned in previous videos. Price points, awesome, because they have various price points that you guys can do. You know, from 450 bucks, 700 with the stuff installed. I'll be doing more videos, you know, talking about that in the future for you guys. And of course, long-term testing. And if you want the Mac Daddy ones, the $1,200 ones, if they're anything like this with even more lights, it may be worth that money, right? But it's all about your guys' budget. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If it was and you guys aren't subscribed, please consider that. We do a lot of stuff like this, and I am very involved with you guys in the comment section about what you guys want to see and everything like that. If this video helped you all out, help me out, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, see you guys later.